Okay, part 2, quiz 208. Thanks for watching. Wow, we talked a lot about different ways that you could use this information to help you pick which graph. So good job. Thanks for your hard thinking and your participation in class. So I do appreciate that. So let's scroll down. The next one I picked. Aha. This circle graph shows the results of a survey that asked people to identify their favorite type of music. What percent of people chose rock or country as their favorite type of music? 45%. How did they solve this? What do you see? Did you solve this? Did you have this question? Or would you already see this? You're not going to see this question, but just think about it, because sometimes I hope you guys are watching these for understanding if you need the extra help, not just quiz correction. So 45% rock or country as their favorite type of music. So they added 27 plus 18. That's the amount of people. That's the percentage of people who chose country or rock as their favorite type of music. Like 7 plus 8 is 15, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, 45%. And then we did this in class. Kind of. I wanted you guys to talk about it. You didn't have a lot of time, but I did want you to take a look at it because it seems like a fancy and a complicated question, but you can still use those skills you've learned about percents, how they relate to part, whole, and percent, right? That triangle, the equations, the proportion method. Amari went on a hike and recorded the number of each type of bird he saw. The circle graph shows the results of his count. Amari saw 42 sparrows. How many birds did he count in all? Lots of different ways to solve this. Absolutely lots of different ways to solve this. Part of math is finding an efficient solution, a simple solution, a direct solution, and we try to share that with you guys when we teach math, when you learn about math, but there is so much more creative ways, and if it makes sense to you, you have a firm understanding, explore it, go with it. It's wonderful. We still, but the way I see it, we saw the part of 42 sparrows. I know the percent of how many sparrows, percent of the whole. So I'm going to do the whole is the part divided by the percent, right? The percent is a decimal. That's how I see it. But again, that's only one way. So again, 42 sparrows divided by 35%. Ooh, no. 42 sparrows divided by 35%. And if you remember, 35%, 35 divided by 100, write it as a decimal. 120 birds in all. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and keep up the hard work and great thinking.